Hello and welcome, guys. This is Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev, and I'm back working on my game. And today is something very unusual for me. I'm working in the evening, and normally I don't do that. Normally I work early in the mornings, about 6 a.m. and now it's about to get 20 p.m. in a half hour. So. This is very unusual for me, but I'm very excited to do this. And today I got something that I want to do, which might be some kind of pretty entertaining. I want to change the overall appearance of my item UI and want to upgrade the UI design, and therefore I was Googling for some inspiration, and here are some of the things I came up with, or at least Google came up with, to be honest. And oh, by the way, this looks interesting, but it's a very small image. Okay, I was thinking about how can I make my inventory look a little bit cooler by not putting too much work and effort into it. And so this is one approach I might go, that I have some kind of semi-transparent background here in a dark color, and then have the item slots in gray, some grayish color. Same thing here. This is from day C, actually, the inventory from day C, and this might be day C in a later version. And let me see, what is this? Doesn't look that bad, but this is pretty much made with some kind of painting here. You can see that. And I don't want to paint something for my inventory. This is something you could do if you build a system like that, but I don't want to put that much work and effort in there. So this one looks pretty okay. I like it so far. It's the same principle like in the others. We have a semi-transparent background, and then the individual slots with a gray background that is also half transparent, and I think this looks pretty well. And here we go, a classic, The Witcher, and this is more like one color theme, but I think this color theme is actually pretty cool. Also, they have a gradient in there. There's more of a bluish in the middle, and then getting some dark outside. And here we have another good example. Also, I think this here, this is also a good approach in my opinion. This is more like one color, and I think I will play around a little bit. So first things first, I have my canvas here, and on the canvas I only have I don't have any graphic elements, but here on the UI inventory I could have some kind of image, and I think I will add one here. Add an image and then adjust the color to somewhat dark color, something like that, and then change the transparency like 0.5. Let me actually type in 0.5. Whoa. 0.5, and let me just get into this, maximize on play, and let's see how it looks. Okay, the game is started up, and if I bring up the UI, or the inventory, sorry, the inventory, then I have this kind of dark background, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, but to compare it to the effect like it was before, I should maybe pick another background. Backgrounds. Speaking of which, skybox. Let's hit a skybox. Let me see, do we have a skybox now? No, we don't have any. Solid color. If I choose skybox, can I do something here? Perspective? No. Autographic. Target texture. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing here. Put it back to solid color. Well, but I think for testing purpose, this should be fine. So, somewhat darker. Okay, I'm good with that. Let me see something else. I have a fixed size for the inventory, and or at least for the background, and then the item holders are placed around here. This is a stretched rect transform. No, it's actually the middle. This is empty, and then I got the positioning of the other elements here. So I'm thinking about if there is a possibility to make the elements dynamic and adjusting to the individual screen size. How could I achieve that? Raw edit mode. Well, actually, I would have to Google that. Let me see if I can find something. Unity UI. UI element width. I'm typing this wrong. Dynamic. Oh, this is the loudest motor scooter ever. Dynamic width panel. What do we have here? I have two panels. Yes, okay. Canvas scaler. Scale with screen size. Expand. empty gray spaces between. Both panels to have a parent. This parent should have a horizontal layout group. Okay, whatever, but he's using a canvas scaler. So this is the background image. Let me see if I can apply a canvas scaler here. Canvas scaler. And then it adds a canvas to this element. Okay, let me undo this. Canvas renderer and canvas scaler. Canvas inherit. Non-root canvases will not be scaled. Okay, I can undo that. So I have to apply the canvas scaler on this one. And it says canvas scaler UI scale mode constant pixel size. A scale with screen size. Oh, there we go. That looks interesting. So this is much more. Look at that. Okay, I have to test. Oh wow. Wow, this is big. Okay. This is nothing I want to have. Let me see. Reference solution. 600. Okay, I think the reference solution is off by 800. Is it that? And then have, I don't know. Yeah, that looks better. What do we have? Scale, standalone. This is the standalone, and I want to add a fixed resolution, and I want to have what it is it full HD. Full HD. So this would be full HD. This here, that's okay too. Free aspect. Okay, I think this is kind of what I want to have. Let me Google some resolutions. Common resolutions. Okay, it's 800 to 600, 1400. Let me see. Okay, I want to have the ordinary HD resolution, full HD, need some of the lower resolutions as well. So let me see, what do we have? 1400. So let me add HD. Okay. So this would be HD and full HD. And then I want to add 800 by 600 and minimal res. Okay, let's see. So this is the minimal resolution. And now let's change to HD. And then change to full HD. Yeah, this is what I want to have. Minimal resolution. But this is not a 16:9 format. This is more like 4:3. Maybe I need one more. Aspect ratio 4:3. This is HD and this is the smallest for 16:9, so I will go with that one as well. And then maybe 1600 to 900. Edit. And this one was 1600 times 900. Okay, there we go. All right, then let's test it again. Open the inventory. Middle resolution, minimal resolution. Yeah, it stays there. It kind of has the same proportions. HD and full HD. Okay, this is what I want to have. Yeah, all right. Good, we have that. Canvas scaler is in place. Okay, let's continue with the design and change the background image. And I want to remove that one first and then tap in here to the color. And I'm thinking about making it some kind of bluish, like, where was it? Maybe like this one, or having something like this. It's pretty similar. So let's see. Here we go. Transparency is to 1. And here we go. have it slightly transparent with 0.7. Let's try it out. Okay. I want to change the color of the background because this is annoying. Wow. What kind of colors are these? Let's see. So this is, oh, this is this is yellow. Looks interesting. Yeah. It's somewhat, some kind of okay. But maybe I want to change the color here. Not here, but on the background image. I'll go more into some blue tones. Yeah, something like that. And then put it a little bit more into transparency. There we go. Let me see what I can do with the crafting area. Do I like it when it is gray? That's the question. Do I want to have it in a gray color, or do I like to have it in some black? Actually, I like it when it's gray. I can pick up the items in the background. So this is not okay. Craft. Equip. Oh, why is it not equipping? Oh, look at that. What is this? I don't get it. I can't drag and drop it there. This is not good. What kind of changes did I make that it is not dropping there? Something's going on. Is it because of the canvas scaler? Or is it ignore reversed? What does it say? Ignore reverse gray? Blocking mask everything. Let me see, maybe it is this. So I can and drag on UI crafting. No, that's not what causes the problem. I don't get it. Who is that? Blocking objects, none. Blocking mask, nothing. Graphic raycast script. I don't know if this was there before. Clicked on item in the equipment slot. So this is working, but why is the on-drop method not working? On and drag parent name UI inventory. Oh, now it was actually working. Huh? I don't get it. What is this? Let me just pick up these hearts. Craft something. Heart sword. And I can't drop it. But I can move them over. No, now I can't move them over. But if I grab the shield and drag it down there, it's not working as well. If I hit craft, drag it down, not working, not working. Unequip, null, reference exception. Oh, and here it is working. This is not working. So I don't get this. Look at this. I can unequip this item, but those two, they are not working at all. And the other ones are not working either. Oh yes, this one is working. Can drag them around here. Oh, what is happening? So I have a problem. On these two slots. And yeah, I see why. Because I don't have them in the inventory. Oh my gosh. This is so obvious, but I didn't see it. So they are non-existent in the inventory, and because of that, I can't unequip them and can't move them. Alright, this is something for the bug list. But so far so good. This thing is working. I have to add a element in my Trello, and I'm gonna say fix item not getting unequipped when item is no longer in inventory. Add. Okay, this is something I need to do. Let me test this out real quick. Drop some heart. There we go. Equip the heart. Equip the heart. Equip the heart. Hello? I can't equip it. Oh my goodness. Now I have the same problem again. Wow. If I craft, drag it down there, no chance. Oh, this is weird. This is really weird. I can't equip it. So I'm gonna uncheck hit maximize on play because I want to see what is happening here. Okay, can I equip? No, I can't. Why not? Equipment. Let me see what is with these. Oh. 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 I see exactly what is happening here. That's the big problem. If you add a new item to the system, then all of the item holders are getting the last item type as default. And then you can't equip. Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, I was still in play mode, so now I can save it. And then let's try again. Spawn some hearts, equip them, equip this, craft something. Hello, there we go. You can equip it, but I can't unequip those. So here are my arrows. Non-reference exception because the item was not equipped. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Hello there. Remove the item from equipment slot. Game assets.instance. I'm getting in the inventory. Get item. Is an equipment slot false, so this can be fixed real quick. If get item, and I need the item type for it. Copy that, put it in here. Click object, item holder, get item type. What is missing here? Whoa. What am I missing? Click object, get component and parent. Here we have the UI item holder. There we have the item type. And this is a get item. This is the if statement. Okay, now not equals null. Then we call this. Okay, say if it is trying to get the item and it is not null, then do this. Okay. This should be working. Let's test. Hello there. Okay, let's pick up some hearts. Equip it. Equip the sword. Let's craft something. Equip it as well. I'm interested what happens if I... Oh look, I can still equip them. Even though they are no longer in the inventory. That's not good. But what I want to see is, can I unequip them? Yes, I can. Perfectly. That's great. Okay. So, next problem. I shouldn't be able to equip it when it's not in the inventory. So this is in the item holder. Let me take a look in the UI equipment class. I'm equipping the item here. So I could ask here if the equip item is in the inventory or not. Yeah, I think I can do that. Let me get back in here into the item holder, because this is the exact same if statement I need. And then say here, oh, and I'm putting in the item type from the selected equipment slot. There we go. Okay, let's see if this is working. Let's pick up these two items again. Equip them, craft something, equip it, close the inventory, and there we go. I can't equip them. They are shown in my equipment bar, but I can't equip them, and this is exactly what I want to have. So yeah, that's good for so far. Alright, I would say that's enough for today. I thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to continue the graphical how do I say, I'll continue to improve the graphics of the UI system in the next video. So I'm gonna see you there. Have a nice one. Bye.